Give me a. Give me a. Give me a.
Kyle. Stop. Kyle! Fucking Kyle!
I don't know what drugs you took this morning, but this is unacceptable behavior. Do you hear me? Kitten? Do you hear me? Kitten, listen.
Wait a damn minute. Wait a damn minute.
Today I learned Mina doesn't like strawberries.
Truly in pain. But to see him laugh about it, that wasn't cool, and I just thought it was important.
Is that a challenge?
What if you see him and he's like not your typical husband? Definitely gonna keep going with it and figure out like why.
Here comes the boy. Hello, boy. Well.
What the fuck is that? What was that? What you're giving up the ass? Get out of here!
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious.
Oh, I'ma take a two.
My happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Oh, just a look at that, a happy, oh, the happy dog. Oh, just a happy.
Jerry, think about it. It's a baby. Don't do it. Don't do it.
I'm not helping because baby laugh.
Are you kidding?